What is up, everybody? Thank you very much for clicking on my channel. On this episode of the Silvia overhaul / rebuild, we're on the most favorite part for me, and that is the engine. So let's get started on putting this bad boy together. Like 15 seconds. Day number 2. We're gonna get started on putting on the oil pump. We're gonna have a small delay because I don't know if I mentioned in the previous, but the new piston rings that we got, they just right off the bat gap too high. So I got to return them back to Injuku, and Injuku's having like some week something, so they're not gonna be there for a whole week. But we managed to get the oil contraption going. Got the water pump. Today we're gonna get the timing chain and the oil pump, and that's pretty much all we can do until the rings come in, because we can't assemble the head. So we're gonna put this here in the washer and get it all washed up. Because I just recently got my new Carrillo piston rings from CP. They had to like make them for me. It took like a month because they were size like, I don't know, 87.40 or some shit like that. Those will be going on my CP pistons with Eagle Rod combo. Also, we have the block here fully honed, decked. I got the water pump on it so far. Got the crank with some King Racing bearings. Also got the little sandwich plate by Grady. It's got the oil temperature, or I'm sorry, oil pressure and water temperature. And we're gonna. So here we got 2 pistons in, and got 2 more left. One of the important key factors at this point is to remember that everything's clean. Clean the bore out again. We threw the pistons in the part cleaner. Make sure you clean all the piston rings. Make sure you give them the proper oil in there. Make it real oily in there. Even clean your compressor. We're using just this cheap one, but it gets the job done. Clean it real good. Definitely clean the bearings real good. I'm using carburetor cleaner to clean all this. Then parts cleaner, then air it off, then towelette it. So clean is the key here, man. We got 2 down, 2 to go. Down to the last rod cap. Just got to make sure that you clean it really good. Also make sure you use a good amount of assembly lube, which I've already put on there, and then torque to specs. Let's do it. Torquing to Eagle specifications at a 1.5 is going to be 40 foot-pounds, so we're going to do 20 and then 40.
plus 7 intensive moisturizers. Dry skin becomes healthy. Good looking. Man up. It's gold.